So what I have here are a bunch of brochures. Pretty cool, right? My car always made the cover. And my question to you guys is, Barcelona Red, was it ever offered in the TRD Pro? I'll have the answer for that same question somewhere in this video. You might want to watch the whole thing. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. This is the Vikings Garage. And today we got the wheel and tire reveal. Although we have revealed the wheel, so it's only a tire reveal. I know, I'm confused myself too. So there you have it, guys. I went with the Nito Terra grapplers. These are same tire you would usually find on your TRD Pro stock. So if it's good for Toyota, it's good for me. So what are your thoughts, guys? Did I not go aggressive enough? Would you went with a different tire option? I honestly think for type of suspension I have, this is actually pretty decent. I do plan on taking this car off-roading eventually. I know these are not off-roading tires. And also I know, before anybody else says, there is something missing here. Should I say she needs a little bit of a lift? Yep. Stay tuned for that, because it's most certainly coming. I do intend to use this car for what it was made for, and that is take it off-road, and that I will do. Skid plate, definitely digging it. It's a look I've always liked. Was a little undecided on the red for the TRD, as my theme is blacked out theme, but all in all, as I'm sure you guys can tell by now, I try to keep this as stock as possible, or using stock parts I should say. So that skid plate with the red letters is a stock thing, so I stuck to that. I am going to be installing the trail badge back here, but yeah, that's going to take a little while to install, because I cannot seem to find the accurate instructions for the TRD Pro, because we all know trail did not come with a badge. But yeah, this is it, guys. This is how she sits. If you were to ask me, am I done modifying this car? Come on, let's be realistic here. How many of you can actually say you're done modifying your car? No, I'm not done modifying it. Actually, I think I'm just getting started. So stick around and follow me in this journey. Hopefully it'll be a fun one. Focusing on the wheels here for a second. We just want to go over with you guys what's actually been done. These caps, I just figured to tie the whole thing together, they had to be black. This is just a regular cap. I mean, could have been pink, red, I don't know. I think black looks a lot better. What do you guys think? Also, lug nuts, black from Toyota, black wheel lock. That ties along with the whole TRD logo being black. Do I like the wheels? No, I do not like them. I love them, man. Are you kidding me? I think there's only two color options that really go super crazy with these color wheels, and that's Barcelona Red and Army Green. Lunar Rock would be another. I've just never seen a Lunar Rock TRD Pro with this color combination wheels, but I personally think it would really set it off really nicely. But I want to know what your thoughts are, guys. Would you have gone with a different color wheel? Do you like these? What else do you think I should be doing to this truck? And most importantly, what is your favorite modification I've done on it so far? I gotta be honest with you, this scoop here, I like it sometimes I don't like it. It's probably a good thing I still have the old one. I don't know, don't be surprised if you see it in the future back to red. It's way too cold here, I can't even talk, but yeah, so far I'm loving it. It's really something I'm proud of. It has taken me a while, but here she is. I think a lift is most certainly on the to-do list. Not a whole lot to see here, guys. These are the caps I was referring to. I think they will tie up the look perfectly. I'm reusing my TPMS sensor, so I decided to install a fit kit. Alright, so guys, in order to get it to look like that, you want to swap your rubber O-ring, and hopefully without stabbing yourself, you gotta work the rubber work the rubber all the way around. And the new one, just shove it right in. Nothing to it, really, but that's what you want. You will need 4 bags of these black lug nuts. They are tear apart, obviously, and wheel lock set to tie up the lug. Now, guys, I think you all can agree with me. Mounting tires on wheels, I mean, that's got to be as boring of content as it gets. To be honest with you, if I could, I would have paid somebody to install these tires for me. I am not a fan of installing tires, so I think this is going to be some boring footage right here. But how about we just toss some cool music in the background, and that way you guys will see how one wheel is made into a tire. So you know how they say once you pop, then you can't stop. Well, in this particular case, after the second pop, then you probably should stop. Can I make this up? Ready? No weights. That's what I'm talking about. Not really sure how good of a shot this is, but as you guys can see, the skid plate that I did get did not have the letters, so I went ahead and got these beautiful letters from Tough Skins. I'm sure you guys heard about this company. Supposedly is the way to go, so Let's see how tough they are, right? Guys, make sure that this area that you're about to apply these ladders into is nice and clean. I had this drying up for a little while. This is what I used. And let's give it a go. See what happens here. So these are pretty interesting. Just basically, I peel this off. Let's see, hopefully getting a good shot of that. Now the key is applying this straight as possible. I like it so far. It's pretty easy. Look at that. What do you guys think? Pretty cool, right? All right, let's do the other two. You will need this hardware kit. That's the part number. And as far as installation goes, guys, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. And as always, guys, I want to take this opportunity to thank you for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one.